In step 7, I want to dive a little deeper into the Ken Burns effect and the crop to fill effect with video. So I have this clip here of Sydney who's rolling her eyes. And what I want to do is I want to actually zoom in and show her rolling her eyes instead of seeing the whole clip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the clip, right click and split clip. And then I'm going to go to where she's done. And I'm going to split the clip again. So now I have this singular clip of Sydney rolling her eyes. I'm going to double click the clip and I'm going to go up to the crop feature, which is the fourth icon in. So in this instance, I'm going to crop to fill. So I am going to move the box so that it's just Sydney's face. So now for this single clip, it's just going to be Sydney rolling her eyes. I'm going to hit the check mark. So now when I press play, this is what happens. It zooms in, shows her rolling her eyes, and then it zooms back out and it continues with the rest of the clip. Now I can also, instead of using the crop feature, can use Ken Burns. Ken Burns shows the start and the end. So right now the start is selected and I'm going to choose the entire clip for the start. And then for the end, I single clicked, I move it, and I drag it in like this. So now it's going to move from start to end in just that single clip. So if I press play, this is what it looks like. So in that case, it just zoomed in quickly instead of just zooming in instantly. So that's the difference between crop to fill and the Ken Burns effect.